Are going to be taking a look at BITCF, currently traded at $77.99. That's just a fraction of 80 cents. not $80, but 80 cents. That's what we're talking about right now. You guys, currently right now, the RSI is at 92. 92 right now on the RSI. You're slightly, the full body of the candles outside the upper boundary band. Overall, I do want to point out with this chart here, we were watching this one again back on 3-1. I want to talk about this really quick. And the last time that we went over this one together is going to be over here on March 1st. Look at what I said there at 4 cents. At 4 cents, I said, watch for volume to pick up and push you past 0.461 and 0.550. Support is 0.421, 4, and 3, 0.350. Chart setting up, in my personal opinion. And look at that. Big move all the way up from 4 cents to 80 cents. Really, I mean, again, you know, coming off that right here, I mean, you only had about a week before this thing really started taking off and that volume started picking up steadily right after that video. I'm not saying it's because of the video at all. What I am saying is that this is why we find these charts here. We scan them down here when they're low and follow them up as they go. That's what we do. We put them on technical analysis alert. If you know, obviously if it's set up, but I told you right there, chart was setting up right now. I think that it's setting up to go the other way down. My personal opinion, I think it's getting overbought, hitting that high of 85 right now. Again, the RSI is at 92. It's pretty high up there, guys. It's outside the upper boundary band. Now you guys have a gap at 61.73. The open 61.90. Okay, 61.90. We'll call that 61 for the gap. Right now it's 78. You know, my personal opinion, I think it's going to start pulling down. You guys have another slight gap down here as well. So at 36. And I am going to put that in there. My personal opinion, I think it's going to start pulling down. But again, we called this one back over there as well.
All right, so their latest press release was on April 6th. There was Bitcoin Unlimited futures used to extinguish debt of leading Bitcoin public company. So first, Bitcoin Capital Corp, in a related party transaction, paid off approximately $200,000 in debt utilizing Bitcoin Unlimited futures, making the company 100% debt-free. So that was on April 6th. So Bitcoin Unlimited futures is one of the largest cryptography creations of the company and rides on the rails of the Bitcoin blockchain, released by the company as a means of allowing speculators to predict the outcome of the forthcoming hard fork of Bitcoin Core into two distinct assets. Bitcoin Unlimited futures trades under the symbol XBU on the decentralized Omnidex and the company's subsidiary CoinQX.com, as well as XB on the CCEX.com exchanges. So let's see, XBU or XB is not to be confused with competing efforts to pre-sale actual Bitcoin Unlimited prior to the hard work, whereas the case of XBU and XB, our coin will not become BTU. Instead, it will trade independently as a third currency. There's no relation of XBU or XB to the actual Bitcoin other than that it was created on and moves along the rails of the Bitcoin blockchain using the Omni layer protocols. So that's that. All right, so see, I'm looking up their annual report as well, because they had the annual report on March 31st, 2017. So I pulled that up, and I mean, they got mineral properties and all this other stuff in here as well. So there's a lot of different things to take in. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence, just go right over to that board over there. It's the BITCF board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting it right over there on that BITCF board.
All right, with the chart again, 80 right now. It says 79 hold. In my opinion, chart is overbought. Resistance at 80 and 85. Support is going to be at 59, 39, 30, and 22. Gaps at 61, 90, and 59. And 36.50 and 37.13. So that's what I'm going to be watching for right now. Could it keep going? Absolutely. So don't take me wrong. It could keep going. But that's what I'm seeing here with the chart. It's getting a little overbought. So we'll watch on how this one plays out in the next few days. BITCF. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And join us for our next live show, investorshangout.com/live.